Guys, Center Square, we're approaching. Center Square, towards in front of me. This is the sun beginning to shine brightly. This is the wurst out there already. I've tried. Bratwurst.
Rostbratwurst.
Aha.
Bitte schön.
How much?
3 Euro
3 euro, okay.
and 90.
Here. Okay. Thank you. Dankeschön.
Bitte schön.
Sun is shining. Nice German medieval time buildings. It's not one building. In the square, all the buildings from medieval age time. These cathedrals. Morning trade. It's not morning though. It's about 12 o'clock. There's a cathedral. Memorial of Bremen musician. Always huge amount of people making the photos. Impossible to get myself one. I don't want to wait to make a photo. I already made photo previously, the day before. It's another way, another look. Yeah, the people walking around, getting the rest, drinking coffee, beer, alcohol. Different people, different past timing. A lot of tourists flocking from all over the Europe, maybe all over the world. The pandemic of coronavirus came to end, and a lot of people from different parts of the world coming here. This is the main cathedral, like a Glory Behold. Main cathedral. I was inside already. It's very calm and chill in it. This is the founder of Bremen city. The founder, memorial of the founder of Bremen city.
Ja, also wie Sie sehen, hier dreht sich viel um rechts.
Show myself in Bremen, Center Square. It's nice angle, just sun coming into my face, into my body, to have a good view. People don't care about. I sit here inside the cathedral. Not inside, backside. Side, what they're talking about. Sun is getting out these clouds, shine on the square. It's because of Saturday weekend why I saw a lot of tourists on this central square, Bremen. It's a very touristy spot. Very touristy spot.
Ja, sauer irgendwie. Kommt von mir auch.
Die sind ja alle begeistert.
Hört gar nicht mehr auf.
Видео?
Да, идем так типа просто.
Гора из там, из центра Bremen. We are walking the center of Bremen, the same part as before Domsheide. As you know, it means in German cathedral wasteland.
What the name? Wasteland, the German cathedral Wasteland, the name, yeah? Of the cathedral?
Cathedral wasteland.
Wasteland, okay.
Domsheide.
Domsheide.
Domus cathedral.
The memorial of Bremen musician over there. Always many tourists, it's impossible to make a photo. You wouldn't be able to take your place because a huge amount of tourists.
Yes. So it's beautiful fall, chilly weather.
Yeah.
Fed up with that heat.
I'm pissed off, we're fed up with the heat
Yeah.
already. It was in Kiev, it was in other places as well over here. Huh? What the name of this cathedral?
I need to be honest.
It's another one, yeah? It's another cathedral.
Yeah. Something like fair,
Fair over here.
Dutch pancakes,
Fair or market?
Dutch
Dutch nuts, cookies,
bar.
pastry. Different. It's like a flower market, flower fair. Many different types of flowers. You can see. Many people.
The Italian guy who hosts you, yeah, the
Yeah.
owner, landlord of this
Yeah,
place.
very nice
It
guy.
was really surreal. Like the first day,
I
we
see.
arrived occasionally.
It's a kind of trade street, yeah? Many different shops, boutiques, да?
Yeah.
But it's a pretty expensive, I think so, in these shops, yeah?
Huh?
Pretty expensive clothing. It should be. What is it?
Angriff. Luft is air, Angriff is attack. So on the 6th of October 1944 it was completely destroyed. Zerstörung, destruction.
This building was destroyed, yeah?
Because of air attack.
Air raid
When
attack.
the Allies were bombing Hitler
Uh-huh.
and other Germans,
Yeah.
was destroyed. Let's have a seat here.
Possible to see this?
Sure.
Maybe they're gonna want.
Ukrainians, no rules for Ukrainians.
I think they would want us to order
Buy
something.
something.
They would want us to buy something, order something.
Okay,
I
we'll
think
tell
so.
them that I had high blood pressure and they will go away. Nice place.
Yeah.
You see those statues? Stone peaks there.
What is that? What's there?
Stone peaks.
Stone peaks. Yeah, I see it. But
somebody-
it's not stone. It's like made from kind of bronze, kind of the
Probably.
alloy
Yeah.
metal.
So when our refugees want to meet here, they say, let's meet near the peaks, next to the peaks. Около свиней.
Yeah. There's a point of gathering or something. Yeah, kind of point of gathering. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go to the peaks.
Yeah. Everybody would know.
Пошли к свиньям.
Everybody would know what does it mean. Yeah.
There is those Hauptbanhof
Yeah.
nearby here. Today in Instagram I saw, maybe it's a fake news. Zelensky got into the traffic accident.
I read this. It happened in Kiev, yeah, somewhere in the center, maybe. Car accident. But it's all went well. It's nobody would hurt.
I don't know. What do you believe? Zelensky's cousins and male relatives are there in eastern Ukraine, like fighting like other guys from peasant families?
Kривий Ріг,
No, I mean
Zelensky from.
Yes, but his relatives, yes, his male relatives who have to serve in army. Are they in army or somewhere like?
I don't
in
know.
China?
Have you already found out?
No, it was how it's called. It was rhetoric question, so response is obvious. I don't
Yeah.
believe they're in Eastern Front. the kids of senators, of Ukrainian ministers, oligarchs, buddies of Zelensky. Yes. В цю тяжку хвилину святий обов'язок кожного українця, якщо тільки він не родич Зеленського і Кличка, страждати на Східному фронті.
Yeah.
Remy, Oleg wants to tell you something.
Hi Remy, we're here in the center of the Bremen, Pasha, waiting for you to October, November.
To arrive, October.
To October
12th.
to arrive. What? We're walking around, have a good time, drinking beer, eating the sausages, German sausages with the
Hanging out with stone pigs.
Having a good time.
With
I'd
stone
say.
pigs, yes.
So, there's the stone pigs over
Remy.
here, as you can see. Yeah.
So,
Pasha, say something.
à bientôt. You like Germany?
Because I born here.
The best barbershop in Bremen.
Can we make a photo?
Yes, no problem.
There's a video.
Video.
Rolling.
Remy, see you soon.
Boy.
It's a barbershop in Bremen. So I
Yeah.
just had my haircut here.
The best barbershop in Bremen, I'd say.
Next to
Yeah?
Bahnhof.
People,
See you soon.
people coming to this barbershop, you're gonna get a super service. Yeah.
City Barbershop. Next to Bahnhof, Central Railroad Station.
See.
Bremen.
Biji
Yes.
Kurdistan.
Yes.
Say Biji Kurdistan.
Viji Kurdistan.
Viji Kurdistan.
Biji Kurdistan. Biji Serukapu.
Yeah.
Zak Biji Serukapu.
Viji Sarukapu.
What is that? What is that?
It's free for Kurdistan.
Free for Kurdistan.
Freedom
For Kurdistan.
Pride for Kurdistan.
Okay, freedom for Kurdistan, guys.
Viji.
Biji Serukapu.
Hi there, Bremen Central Square. This is the Central Cathedral. As we can see, the Ukrainian flag in support of Ukrainian situation. The war is going on right now. Morning time. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself, guys.